Yeah, if you're looking for bulk SMS sender software that you can use for your SMS marketing, maybe you want to use for personal or you want to use it for business. Well, what I mean by business, like maybe you want to be selling bulk SMS service to people. So this software is what you need for your personal or businesses. You can use this software for people to promote your product through SMS marketing, or you can start sending SMS software to people. So I'm going to walk you through demo of this software, the feature of this software. So if you're interested in buying this software, or just message us by clicking our WhatsApp in this video description, or last messages on Telegram. So this is the back end of the software. These are the features it has. So it has option where you can sell your customers subscriptions. Where you can create, you can sell subscription. People that are subscribed for your plan. This is where you can see it. Your customers. This is where you can sell your customers that have registered on your business on your software and plans. This is where you can create a lot of plan for your customers. So if you are looking for me to start a business, maybe pocket SMS business, this software is for you. So sending, so these are the features sending. You can create a sender server. So one of the reasons why I love the software is that it supports a lot of sending server, a lot of API. You just click on add new API. You're going to see that it supports a lot of API. There's no way you're not going to see a API that your customer wants. So you can see it really easy send a lot of API. You're going to see it on this software. And if a customer is using a particular, maybe a custom sending server or API, you can just create your own sending server. Sorry, error. So you can just create your own API, then enter the API information, then click on save. Then you can start using to do your code SMS marketing. That's for that. You can also add your sender ID. So you can create a sender ID. You can create a sender ID. You can create a number. You can create a keyword template and a tag. So the security, you can do a blacklist, and you can do a spam word. Administration, you can add administration to the software admins rules and settings, and it adds all the settings you want, and also country, the language, the payment gateway. So if you're looking for payment gateway, support a lot of payment gateway, PayPal, Stripe, Paystack, Flutterwave, a lot of payment gateway you may be looking for. And if you want to use crypto payment, it supports it as well. So this is where you're going to see your report, and this is where you can customize your team. So that's for the backend. It's an amazing software. Maybe you want to use it for personal or for business. So if you want to do, so this is how the front end is going to look like. When I say it's an amazing software, so it's like 3 in 1 or 4 in 1 sender. You can use it for SMS marketing. You can use it for a voice campaign, voice note campaign. You can use it for MMS campaign. You can use it for WhatsApp sending as well. So all you have to do is just connect API that support all of these sending method. If you're using something like Twilio API, you can use it for SMS, voice, MMS, and WhatsApp. So if you want to do a campaign, you can just come to your campaign builder, quick send. So if you're doing a message, you can see your report, message, your contacts. So this you can create your contact by just remembering anything. You can just off all this. Then you can import. So you have two ways to import your contact. You can just upload your CSV, SLS, or SLS file. So and make sure you have the phone column inside it is very important. So after you import, but if you don't want to do that, I have an easy way. You can just import by copy and paste. Just turn off this import file. Then it's going to give you option to import. You can only import maximum 1000 number at a row. So let me give you a sample. Like if you look at this, my WhatsApp number, if you look it like this is a two number. Like I said, this is a two number. But if you check these total numbers of recipients, you see like it's showing you one. The reason is that every number you're going to do copy and paste at the end of each number, make sure there's comma. So can you see it has changed to two? So you make sure there's comma at the end of each number. So after make sure you put your country code in front of your numbers. I just click on save. So it has import. The reason why we have one number is because the software have removed the duplicate number out of it. So then you want to do your message, you want to do opt-in keyword, maybe a keyword, you can just set it. Opt-out keyword, you can set it as well. So you want to do a sign up SMS, just copy. You want to send sign up people. So this is your sign up form. People can sign up to your newsletter. So amazing. So this is do all your settings. You want to set the sender name. So maybe when people sign up to your form, you want to send them welcome message. Turn on this. You want them to send unsubscribe notification to subscriber. Send them this. Send keyword message. You want to turn on send this. So you just have to come to your optimization and set up everything. So basically, we are doing marketing, in business marketing. That's why you're going to need all these options. Maybe, but if you are doing code marketing, you're not going to do all these options. So after that, you can just come to your sending SMS, come to your campaign builder, come to campaign builder, enter in the name, choose the sending server. You can add as many as possible sending server. Then choose your sender ID. In case if you are using a API that supports sender ID, choose it. But if you are using API that supports phone number, choose it. Enter the group you're sending to, choose your number, enter a message, then click on send. You're going to see your message being sent as long as the API you're using is good and correct. Same method for the voice and MMS WhatsApp. And another feature of the software has it has the chat box. With this chat box, what is for? Maybe send you are using what this chat box is for. Maybe you are using a two-way API. Like Twilio, you are using Twilio is like a two-way API. Okay, you send message to people and they reply your message. You're going to see the reply here under this chat box. Then you can continue to be messaging them and they're going to be replying you. That's what this chat box is. It's an amazing feature. Most of people that do SMS marketing used to look out for in an SMS sender. So, and this software has it as well. So, this is a great SMS sender software that you can use for your SMS marketing, maybe for personal use or for business use. So, if you want to get the software, click the link under this video to message us on our WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you. We see you again.